Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bianca. Today I'm going to be showing you all of my Christmas decor that I just took out. I want to go through it and show you guys some of the stuff. That way when I do go shopping, I know exactly what I have. Like I just recently went to Walmart and I really didn't want to buy anything. So I'm going to go through it and show you some of the stuff, and I hope you all enjoy it. Remember guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, I have a few totes out right here, and I'm not going to show you every single thing because it would just take forever, but I will show you some of my favorite things. First, I want to show y'all this really pretty greenery. This is specifically for Christmas. As you can tell, it has some glitter on it, so I really like this. And I also have some of this. These are just some stems, and it's really pretty. The same thing, they covered it in like white snow, and it has little cute pine cones on there. So I'm not sure if this was all together and I just cut them individually. I don't remember. And I'm really excited to show y'all these really huge stems I bought. They're huge. They were actually for my Christmas tree. They just have some candies on there and a couple of like Christmas balls, and then one of these and this one. I also have this bag of flocked ribbon that I found at Hobby Lobby last year, and I put this on my tree as well, and I cut it into strips to put it on the tree. So let me see if I could take one out. So I don't want to take all of them out because if you guys have ever used anything flocked, but I really like this. It's so pretty because it just, I'm starting to just really love anything flocked, like greenery. I also have this bag, and this is just the striped bow that I put on top of my tree, and it was from Walmart. And then inside of there, I have some huge ball ornaments. This is a big one from the Dollar Tree, I believe. And then I have a couple of like candy ornaments that I put on my tree for Hobby Lobby, from Hobby Lobby. I also made these really huge peppermint candy pieces to put on my tree. I made 5 of them. And if you want to see how I made that, I'll link them at the top. I'll link it at the top. So I really fell in love with these. I also have these 2 lollipops. I have been having these little tiny ornaments, and I just have them in this box. I believe I had them on a little Christmas tree. I have these 2 little galvanized greeneries. Recently I did some Dollar Tree DIYs, and a lot of you guys asked me about this sign. This was from Hobby Lobby last year, Merry Farmhouse Christmas. Originally it was $10, but I'm pretty sure I bought it for $5. Picked up a couple of these from Hobby Lobby last year. I love these picks. They're made so well. They have pine cones, greenery, red berries, and they are flocked. Here is a merry and bright sign that I actually made out of a Dollar Tree gift bag. I will link that at the top if you want to see all of my Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs that I did last year. Here's some pretty golden bells. I believe it was from Walmart. I have a lot of bags with just different stems in here. These are my absolute favorite. They have these at Hobby Lobby. They're red berries, and they have some type of like clear coating on them. It just makes it stand out even more. So pretty. I have some of those and some Dollar Tree ones in here. Some of these are really pretty, and these were from the Dollar Tree. Here is another flocked one. I'm not sure. I think this was from Walmart. Here's some more in here. I have some more of those red berries, some poinsettias, I have another one of those greenery stems that are flocked. Now this one is actually really pretty because this is more flocked than the other greenery I showed you at first in the beginning of the video. I made this swag out of Dollar Tree items, and it is also in one of my recent videos that I will link at the top. I have this Star of Wonder, Star of Night Christmas sign. All right, I have a couple of cute little signs. I love it when you forget what you have and then you see it and you're like, oh my god, and I forgot I bought that. So this one is really pretty. I like it. I also have this one, Farmhouse Christmas, made out of wood. Couple of these small little signs, Joy and Mary Mary. Love these really rustic little trees covered with burlap at the bottom. I don't remember where they're from though. Last year I bought a few of these covers from the Dollar Tree. They're chair covers, but it just sucked because they didn't fit my chairs. My chairs were a little too wide. I also have a couple of these bottle brush trees. I think they were from the Target Dollar Spot a couple years ago. They're like pink, ombre, and I'm sure I will put them in my daughter's rooms. And I also fell in love with this sign last year. It is so pretty. It's like a metal type sign and it says, have yourself a merry little Christmas, but it's really pretty. I also have a few of these candle holders from Bath and Body Works a few years ago. And the last few things I'm going to show y'all are just a couple of these pillows. Don't remember where that's from. That one I believe is from Target. And I just have some cute little Christmas washcloths. A couple of hand towels, or 3 of them. And then I recently thrifted this cute little Christmas tree for $1. I just bought this 3-piece wreath decor set from Walmart for 13 bucks, which is a really good deal because these are flocked. So pretty. I love them. They're so full and small, and then they have the little red bow at the top, which just definitely makes it stand out. And you guys, I'm sure, have seen this in the background of this whole video. This is just a cute little Christmas carpet that I usually put in the guest bathroom. And lastly are these really rustic farmhouse Christmas plates that I am obsessed with. It says Season's Greetings and it says Mount Holly on them. And I have 4 of them. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now that I know what I have, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing some Christmas shopping at Hobby Lobby and see what I can find. Hopefully I can get my hands on some good deals. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video.